Another beach day. Putting on my sunscreen right now so I don't burn up. Crystals is looking so good. And they have really good sauce already. And we're back. Can't stay away. It's so awesome. We love the beach. It's awesome. It's our new favorite beach. We were here for the sunrise pictures and we're back again. It's gonna be awesome. I'm so excited. Yellow and purple flag. Medium surf. Dangerous marine life. We could have gotten eaten by sharks. It was a fun day at the beach though. We picked up way too many shells. But filled up Dad's hat and then brought a bag. And that bag's full now too. So we have a lot of shells. We had so much fun at the beach today. How many shells did we get?
I'm not telling.
2 bags.
2 bags of shells.
Last time I said it was 50 shells. Last time I said it was 50 pounds.
50 pounds of shells. We're gonna be making a lot of shell stuff next time, guys.
Yeah, probably an exaggeration, but yeah.
We'll measure it when... Oh, we don't have anything to measure it with, huh? It's 50 pounds.
We don't do weight.
Lighting is lighting up the clouds. Look at a pre-sunset over there. It's so cool. That's awesome. So awesome. It's happening all over the place. I don't know which way to look. Massive storm going on out there. Every time it lights up, it's just lighting up the clouds. It's so far away though, you can't even hear the thunder. Man, does it look pretty. And every time I move back and forth, it strikes in a different spot. It's time to get my camera out. There's so much stuff going on outside. I can't not. Ah! Life on a boat.